Unraveling Gnaw Away, a deep dive into English phrases. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into the phrase, gnaw away. By the end of this video, you'll fully understand its meaning and how to use it in conversations. Let's get started. Gnaw is a verb that means to bite or chew on something persistently, often using sharp teeth. Think about a beaver gnawing on wood or a dog chewing on a bone. They don't just take one bite. They keep at it for a long time. When we add away to gnaw, the phrase takes on a slightly different nuance. Gnaw away often means to gradually wear down, consume, or erode something over time. For instance, time seemed to gnaw away at his patience. His guilt began to gnaw away at him. In both examples, you can see that it's not about literally chewing. It's about a persistent and gradual effect over time. Now that you understand the meaning, let's look at how you can use this phrase in various contexts. 1. Emotions and feelings. The feeling of regret continued to gnaw away at her. 2. Physical objects. The ocean waves gnawed away at the coastline over the decades. 3. Concepts or abstracts. Doubt started to gnaw away at his confidence. Remember, the key here is the gradual and persistent effect, whether it's emotional, physical, or abstract. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar sentiment. Here are a few. Eat away, like metal rusting over time. Wear down, like shoes getting thin after excessive use. Erode, like water causing soil to gradually disappear. While they aren't exact synonyms, understanding these can help you get a broader sense of the concept. So, the next time you hear someone say something is gnawing away at them, you'll know exactly what they mean. It's all about that slow, persistent effect over time. We hope this video has clarified the phrase, gnaw away, for you. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of the English language.